Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys are all having a fun, fantastic day. Unfortunately, it is raining cats and dogs in Belfast, so you might hear the sound of the rain behind me. I do apologize for that. But our video today is all about Primark. I have not been to Primark in Belfast for months because of COVID and the lockdown. But I had a voucher and I went to Primark today and I spent my entire voucher on all the fun-filled things inside this bag. As you can see, these bags are not sturdy and they do rip. It is not great that they're paper, and when it rains, they get wet and they split up the sides. So my bag is totally trashed, but we don't care because we're more interested in what's inside it. So as you can see, this bag is packed full of stuff. We'll just take this little bit off and pop it right over here. Okay, guys, some of these things are clothes, some of these things are bedding, other things. So this is just a random, sorry for the noise, a random Primark haul. Let's get rid of this off the bag so you guys can see what we've got. Okay, the first thing I got was this adorable pretty pink, let me just show you guys, sweater. It is fleeced inside. I got this in an extra large because I like big baggy, especially where these fleeces, these fleece jumpers are concerned. The baggier the better. I really like these because they wash exceptionally well and they're really sturdy. They're super warm. Look at the fleece inside that. It is adorable. This little jumper, let me fold it up and show you guys what it looks like. This little jumper was £5. I think that is an awesome little bargain. I don't tend to keep these jumpers as they look. I do like a wider necked jumper. So what I do is fold the jumper and I cut along the front to give me just a bit of a wider neck, because I tend to wear a little vest top under that, and I like it when the straps of the vest top come at the sides. So for £5, I think that was a super duper bargain. That is for me and I love it. The second little top that I got, and I'm going to show you guys, it's really difficult. I broke my other stand, so it's just a little difficult to show you guys everything here, but let's go ahead and make do with what we have. This little jumper is a grey blue hooded sweatshirt. I will keep the hood on this one. I do like it. It is very thick and padded, and we are in the midst of winter. In Northern Ireland, we don't have the worst winters, but we have a very wet winter. So it's always nice to have something with a nice thick hood. I love the little drawstrings. It says kindness, 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 which I really like. I love the fact that it has these little pocket at the front. Your hands get a little cold, you can pop them in there. And again, fleeced on the inside. This little sweatshirt with the hood was £7. I think an awesome bargain. And again, I love Primark's jumpers. I'm going to tilt you guys down just ever so slightly. I love Primark's jumpers because they wash exceptionally well. I do wash these jumpers. I do put them into the tumble dryer and they tend to keep their shape. And that is awesome for me. So for £7, that's a brilliant little bargain. Just throw this on with a pair of jeans and a pair of boots, maybe some DMs. Awesome. So that's going to keep me nice and warm. The next thing I got, guys, unfortunately the wrapper came off this on the way out of Primark. It fell off and I put it in the bin. This is a little single duvet set. Comes with this gorgeous quilted type, super soft, and I mean super soft material. It's in grey. It comes with the pillowcases somewhere. Pillowcases, oh, right here. It comes with a cute, adorable quilted pillowcase. And I needed this for my stepson's bed. So definite bargain for £9. I have not been able to find a really adorable little super soft bed duvet set like this for that price. Again, they wash exceptionally well. I could have one of the duvet sets sorry guys, from Primark for 3 or 4 years. If I'm getting 3 or 4 years out of spending £9, I think that is an awesome bargain. And I love the feel of this. That's item number 3. Okay, guys. The next thing that we have some underwear. There are 3 pair of boys' underwear, but we'll slide right by those. There we go. Super soft, really, really nice elasticated waist. These wash amazingly. And you got 3 pair for £7. I think that is an thumbs up, awesome bargain. Then next thing that we got is this adorable. I am in love with this t-shirt. Primark have some amazing Disney items in and Marvel items in. We loved this Marvel t-shirt. It is the old school comic style Superman or Spider-Man, sorry guys, with the Japanese writing underneath. I do not know what this says. Anybody knows? Link it in the comments below for me. That's awesome. This is the front of the t-shirt. This is in a size small, and this cost £8. If you guys can see, this cost £8, which I think is a super bargain, and it's one of a kind tee, exclusive to Primark. It's awesome. The best part of this t-shirt is definitely the back. I hope you guys can see. We have the Spider-Man on the back, really nice. And again, the same, I think, Japanese writing. This t-shirt is adorable. It is grey and it has almost this bleach type effect. I thought it was awesome. A massive bargain. And I love the fact that it is exclusive to Primark. The next thing I got, just a bit of fluff. The next thing that we bought, I just thought this was so cute, was this old school retro, almost 80s like t-shirt. It's a NASA t-shirt. I am loving the 80s print that is out at the minute. Primark have, when I was in Primark, they have a huge range of 80s inspired clothing. I mean, I love the 80s. The 80s was bright. It was bustling. I love the colors. So we definitely had to get this little t-shirt with the NASA and the gorgeous 80s inspired logo. It is in a size small, and we picked this little bargain up for £6, which I thought was really good because Primark's t-shirts also wash very well. So definitely happy with our little pile right over here so far. Let me go. I have to show you these. These are adorable. I've got 2 sets of these. These are super cute monster slippers, and I bought 2 pair of these for my little nephews. We have a teeny tiny pair, and they're adorable, and we have a slightly larger pair. These were £4. They've got a really sturdy rubber bottom, which I love, and they are Velcro, totally fleecy lined inside. These are going to keep your feet super roasty toasty, and for £4 I think they're awesome and really, really adorable. So we got 2 pair of those. Think that is pretty good. I'm running out of space over here. We're going to have to pop that to the other side. Okay, guys, 2 items left. I had to pick this up. This is the cutest, adorable little reindeer. I think it is supposed to be, oh, we'll cut that off. That's not a problem. I think this is supposed to be Rudolph with the little red nose. It is super soft and fluffy, and it's just adorable. It is for a little treat box that I'm making up, and there are 5 in the collection. You can collect Santa, which was also there, but I loved the feel of this little reindeer. We had Santa, we had the gingerbread man, we had a unicorn little sheep type thing. We had the reindeer, which is what I bought, and we also had the snowman, the little snowman. And guys, I couldn't see the snowman and I couldn't see the gingerbread man. I did see Santa, who was cute. I did see the little unicorn, which was cute, but this was definitely my favorite. It's super soft and so nice. This little item is £2. I thought that was pretty awesome bargain, just because it's really adorable. It does have a little loose thread, a snip of a pair of scissors, and that will be gone. I'm totally fine with that, but it is adorable. A little bit of fluff from the next item, but I don't mind. Adorable, super cute, definitely a thumbs up for me. Let me know in the comments what you guys, the receipt, let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of Primark, and which item in this haul, in this video, that you think is the best. Because I'm going to show you what I think is the best, and it is the last item. I am so happy about these. Let's move our broken bag out of the way, and I'm going to show you my favorite item. So they're just a pair of black trackies. They have the white, I don't even know if you guys can see that, but they have the large wide bottoms, which I love, because I love actually rolling them up and having a little bit of, it's not coming through very well on camera, but I love rolling these up. I think they're really cute with a little pair of plimsolls or flip-flops or slippers. Adorable. But this is why I bought them. They are Mickey and Friends, and these are super adorable. Primark currently has a huge array of Mickey Mouse and Friends items. I thought these were adorable. These were £10 a pair. They have pockets. I don't understand jog ears without pockets. I love trousers with pockets. These are my favorite thing in this entire haul. But Primark has a huge selection of exclusives. They have exclusives for Stranger Things, which is going to probably be my next set of purchases. They have a huge array of Mickey and Friends. They have tons of Lilo and Stitch that are just coming in, and they have a bunch of Marvel items. If you guys are Mickey fans, Disney fans, if you're Marvel fans, if you are Stranger Things fans, head on down there to Primark and see the amount of amazing bargains that you guys can get. This was my haul for today. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was, I think, a pretty big haul. I love every single item that I got, and I got it for such a good price. And I generally tend to buy things that I know that I've bought before and are decent quality. And I find that everything that I've bought today is pretty good quality. So I'm really, really happy. If you guys like this video, please smash that thumbs up. I hope you guys have an amazing day. If you're not yet a subscriber and you'd like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget about the notification bell. That'll notify you guys of any of my future videos. I hope you guys really, truly do have an amazing day. And I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.